Hey guys, so let's quickly talk about the commands of Kubernetes images. Now, Kubernetes Docker images are the key building block of containerized infrastructure. As of now, we are only supporting Kubernetes to support Docker images. Each container in a pod has its Docker image running inside it. When we are configuring a pod, the image property in the configuration file has the same syntax as the Docker command does. The configuration file has a field to define the image name which we are planning to pull from the registry. Now, following is the common configuration structure which we pull image from the Docker registry and deploy into Kubernetes container, as you can see on the screen. Now in the above code, we have defined number one, name, testing for image pull. As you can see, the name is given to identify and check what is the name of the container that would get created after pulling the images from the Docker registry. To name Neo4j server. This is the name given to the container that we are trying to create, like we have given the Neo4j server. Third, image of name of the Docker image. This is the name of the image which we are trying to pull from the Docker or internal registry of images. We need to define a complete registry path along with the image name that we are trying to pull. Next, image pull policy, which is always this image pull policy defines that whenever we run this file to create the container, it will pull the same name again. And last, command echo success. With this, when we create the container and if everything goes fine, it will display a message when we will access the container. Now, in order to pull the image and create a container, we will run the following command, as you can see in this screen, to pull out the image. Now, once we fetch the log, we will get the output as successful, as you can see here. The above command will produce an output of success, or we will get an input as failures. However, a point to note is it is recommended that you try all the commands ourselves or yourself so that we can have a sort of a good insight and understanding of the same. So that's it in this lecture. We are just keeping it very short. In the next lecture, we would be talking about Kubernetes jobs. Till then, thank you very much.